Imagine stepping into a bustling marketplace, vibrant with the colors and scents of fresh produce and aromatic spices. Yet, what catches your eye isn't just the abundance of fruits or the array of cleaning products, but the surprising number of women navigating the stalls. In this market, it's clear that the female presence outnumbers the goods on display. You'll notice that the true essence of this place lies not in its offerings but in the vibrant community of women who bring it to life. For just $10, you can have a lifelong companion. Today we will see countries where find a wife at market is a familiar tradition. Make sure that you stay till the end, as what country might surprise you. Number 1. Malaysia. In Malaysia, there's a cultural perception where Malaysian women are highly valued in a marriage market context, with prices ranging from approximately $4,300 to $4,800. This reflects societal norms where financial stability can influence marriage prospects, although it's important to note that this doesn't equate to buying love outright. Malaysian women are known for their striking beauty, characterized by a blend of diverse cultural influences. They are often admired for their warm and caring nature, treating their men with respect and affection. Emphasizing family values and traditions, Malaysian women foster strong, supportive relationships, creating a harmonious balance of love and mutual respect in their partnerships. Once you decide what kind of partner you want, you can easily find them on dating apps, or one of the best places to meet Malaysian women is at cultural events. These events showcase the diversity and traditions of Malaysia, attracting locals and tourists alike. From colorful festivals like Thaipusam and Hari Raya to art exhibitions and music concerts, you'll have plenty of opportunities to strike up conversations with Malaysian women who share a passion for their heritage. Number 2. Egypt. In Egypt, there is a unique cultural concept called temporary marriage. This practice is known locally as tourist marriage or summer marriage, involves Egyptian women marrying foreign men, often tourists, in exchange for financial support or gifts. Prices for such arrangements can be surprisingly low, sometimes as little as $9, reflecting economic disparities and cultural dynamics. In the context of marriage, the concept of dowry or mahr, a mandatory payment from the groom to the bride, is prevalent in Egyptian culture. The amount of dowry can vary significantly based on factors such as the bride's social status, education, and family background. While some might interpret high dowries as a sign of being expensive, it's important to note that these practices are deeply rooted in cultural traditions and vary widely across different communities. Number 3. China. The impact of China's former one-child policy. This policy, in effect from 1979 to 2015, led to a significant gender imbalance, with more men than women in the population, particularly in rural areas. By 2020, estimates suggested there were between 30,000 to 40,000 excess single men in China, primarily due to sex-selective abortions and cultural preferences for male children. The imbalance in gender ratios has resulted in a phenomenon where many Chinese men, particularly in rural areas, struggle to find local brides. This has led to an increase in bride buying practices, where men from these regions, often with lower socioeconomic status, seek brides from neighboring countries like Vietnam. The cost of purchasing a bride can range around $2,600, highlighting the financial and social pressures these men face in fulfilling societal expectations of marriage and family. There have been reported cases of Vietnamese women being lured to China with the promise of marriage, only to be forced into human trafficking. This often involves deceitful brokers who prey on vulnerable women, leading them into situations of forced labor or exploitation. Number 4. Bulgaria. In Bulgaria, there is a controversial concept called bride market. This tradition, primarily associated with certain Roma communities in Bulgaria, involves the public display and potential sale of young girls as brides, with prices reportedly around $7,500 for virgin girls. The legal age for marriage in Bulgaria is 18, though exceptions can be made with parental consent from the age of 16. The girls being withdrawn from school early due to fears of abduction or pressure to conform to traditional gender roles. Despite traditional influences, Bulgaria's younger generation is increasingly embracing modern dating practices facilitated by social media and online dating platforms. These platforms provide opportunities for young Bulgarians to connect with potential partners beyond their immediate social circles, fostering relationships based on mutual interests and shared values. Number 5. Sudan. In Sudanese society, marriage is viewed as a cornerstone of social stability and family honor, with customs varying across different ethnic groups and regions. Bride price, known as mahr, is a customary payment made by the groom or his family to the bride's family as a gesture of respect and appreciation. In urban areas of Sudan, this can amount to around $35, reflecting higher living costs and economic expectations. In contrast, rural areas often see lower bride prices, averaging around $9, reflecting economic disparities and traditional customs that value community ties and solidarity. Dating practices in Sudan vary between urban and rural settings, influenced by factors such as education, social norms, and exposure to modern influences. Number 6. Africa. In southern Africa, particularly among various ethnic groups like the Zulu, Xhosa, and Swazi, marriage customs often involve traditional practices such as lobola, bride price, or bohali, bride wealth, which typically include the exchange of cattle or money as part of the marriage arrangement. This practice reflects not just economic transactions but also deep-rooted cultural and social values. The Zulu culture celebrates Umabo, a ceremony where the bride's family welcomes the groom and his family with gifts, symbolizing the union of the two families. Whether through tangible items like cattle or cash payments, you can secure a wife. Number 7. India. India's marriage market is evolving with astonishing deals in a country where traditional patriarchal values often dominate. Women can be seen as commodities for those seeking companionship. For as little as $73 to $50, one can find a partner in India, almost like shopping for love, with options to switch partners if unsatisfied. This affordable solution to modern loneliness offers a unique chance for instant love with return policies included. Socioeconomic factors, including the dowry system, still influence India's marriage market. Despite being outlawed, dowries remain significant in rural areas where brides' families pay large sums to grooms' families, creating a market where brides are purchased at low prices due to economic pressures. This tradition has modernized, allowing foreign men to partake in these arrangements. India's gender ratio, with about 1,057 males for every 1,000 females, adds to the competition for brides, sometimes lowering costs. The cultural diversity across India's 28 states and over 22 recognized languages also affects the marriage market, with practices varying significantly. In states like Haryana and Punjab, with particularly skewed gender ratios, purchasing brides is more common. In contrast, states in the south, like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, have more progressive attitudes toward gender equality, making their marriage markets different. Number 8. Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, the practice of buying a wife is tied to traditional customs and economic transactions rather than formal purchases. The bride price, known as valvar, is a customary payment made by the groom's family to the bride's family. This practice can be seen as a form of commodification, where marriages are heavily influenced by financial transactions. However, it's important to note that this is rooted in cultural traditions rather than being a straightforward commercial purchase. The situation varies widely across different regions and communities within Afghanistan. As of 2024, the bride price in Afghanistan varies widely, ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s. In rural areas, it might be around $1,000, while in urban centers, it can reach several $1,000s. This is a stark contrast to historical prices, where some regions had bride prices as low as $9, which seems almost unbelievable today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.